Our initial idea was to create a feel-good movie, which was really fast-paced, so that it would grab the audience's attention. What we wanted to achieve was a hybrid movie with different genres. That's how all of the scenarios come into place with a movie. We wanted a different genre per scenario, so we'd have a comedy or a romantic scenario, and that was our initial line, which is what we tried to follow through. Some of the inspirations that we came across when planning our movie was the opening credits of Skins and Californication, which were both very fast-paced with really quirky and upbeat music, and that's what we wanted our film to look like. Also, the colour effects that are used in both opening sequences is the look we wanted to achieve, and the style. Another place we got inspiration from was a short film called Memoirs of a Scanner, which we all watched as a group and really liked and wanted something like that for ourselves. So instead of having our scanner, we had our tree and how everything revolved around the tree, which is the main idea of our story. Our movie and ancillary text worked quite well together. For our blog background and poster, we used the same background, the crinkled lined paper, and also the same images that are used on the sides of our blog are also on the poster. In the movie, there's a sign on a corkboard near the tree that says "Insert Polaroid," which is what we tried to replicate when making our poster. And we used both the same kind of for handwriting that was used in the film. We used the same similar font to it for the poster, and for both poster and the movie, both used lined paper, which was a constant theme as it appeared in our blog as well. In the beginning of our movie, we used kinetic typography to quote something that we used in the radio trailer, which links both the movie and the trailer together, so there's a sense of consistency between them. Also, in the radio trailer, we used sound effects that relate to our films, which was a snapshot of the camera, and we also used the same soundtrack that we used for the movie, so the same song that we used for the movie we also used in the radio trailer.
I didn't think the movie had a distinctive genre.
The audience feedback said that they didn't think that the movie had a distinctive genre, which is what we initially went for, as we tried to make a hybrid by using different scenarios for different genres. So a funny scenario would be a comedy, and a romantic scenario would be a romance, and etc.
I think the Beach Boys soundtrack didn't really sink in with the movie. It was a bit too slow-paced for the movie. The second soundtrack that was uploaded onto the film fitted in much better.
Another piece of feedback that we got from the audience was that the Beach Boys track wouldn't be nice, didn't fit in with the movie, as too slow, and we wanted a fast-paced effect. So we went online and found a copyright-free song that fitted the movie much better. One of the programs that we used was Photoshop, which we used to create our blog background and our poster. We didn't come across many difficulties on Photoshop, as we've already used it in the past, so that was a smooth process for us. Another program that we used was Final Cut Express to edit and cut our movie, add in effects and piece everything together, also loop in our track for the movie and sync it to the short film. We used YouTube to upload videos of ourselves talking about the process that we went through and all our problems when it came to editing and filming, or how we planned and researched our project. We used Blogger to upload all of the footage from our vlogs, to upload our storyboards and filming schedules, also to upload any other filming that we done. We used After Effects to create kinetic typography, which we used in the introduction of our short film, which was also a quote from our radio trailer.